We're rolling out a major revision to how customer notifications work within Syncro. Now, each contact can implicitly be set to receive billing emails as well as marketing emails. You'll no longer need to worry about who to CC and when. You can assign as many contacts as you like to each category of email. You'll find identical options on the main customer record as well. And if for some reason you need to CC all of a particular customer's invoices to a contact not associated with them in Syncro, such as a third-party accounting service they use, you can add them as a CC here. Now when you send an invoice, it will automatically go to every billing contact within the company. For marketing campaigns through our mailer module, these will be sent automatically to every customer flagged for marketing emails. If you wish to send them to every contact flagged for marketing emails as well, simply check this box here, Send to Contacts. We've also added a new field to contact records called Direct Report. This is for instances where another employee in the company wants to be notified on all ticket-related communications for this contact. Simply select the direct report and they'll automatically be CC'd on all email ticket communications to and from this contact. If you have a direct report that oversees multiple contacts, you can assign them to as many contacts as needed. Direct reports will conditionally appear on ticket records when they're present. So that's our new customer notifications update, available starting today.